Okay, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome back to my channel. My name is called Alex Masaba. My channel name is called Alex Masaba. You can as well get me on Facebook, Alex Masaba, YouTube, Alex Masaba. I thank you all the subscribers for supporting this channel. And for new subscribers, if you are new on our channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. You'll be getting notifications on different videos of which we shall be uploading concerning real estate, concerning businesses, and daily things which can change our life, because our aim is a financially independent citizens or a financially free Ugandan. So in that matter, we try to analyze some of the tips in different sectors concerning economics, business-wise, and real estate. So for today's case, we are going to see how to balance profits in our businesses, because most of the businesses in our country collapse due to people don't know how to balance profits. You don't know the difference between profit margin and net profit. So for today, specifically, we are going to look at how we are going to be balancing our businesses at the end of the month. Kino kigenda eri buli muntu yenna, buli munnayuganda obeera ng'ogenda kuyingira mu business, nti buli business yonna yeetaagamu calculations, buli business yeetaagamu ebitabo okusobola okumanya business ye ebeera ekola oba obeera okola loss. So I've been getting a lot of complaint in the comment sections. Most of our people's friends in different countries, they are complaining about the way I'm sticking on only Uganda, and yet it seems we are delivering very important message out there. So we really appreciate for your concern, and I promise next time at least I'll be doing my level best to make sure that you also come together and at least pick something of which you also go and teach your fellow citizens. So for today's case study, we are going to learn, this is a shop of phones. This is a balance sheet of which we purchased our phones from December 1st, to December 31st, 2020. So we are going to check the stock. How many goods did we purchase? How many have we sold? And how much have we made? So in most of cases, people out there, after, let me say an example, you can purchase one phone, iPhone, or Nokia, or any type of phone, let's say 50,000 Ugandan shillings. Then you sell that phone at 70,000 Ugandan shillings. So most of you take that 20,000 as a profit. That one is called a profit margin. It is not yet a profit. So how do we come to know that this phone we bought at 50,000 has made a profit? So guys, give me your ears and watch this board as I have instructed above. So for today, our shop name is called M&S. This is our shop name. Our shop name is called M&S. Date, we stocked 1st December 2020 to 31st. That is stock. So in this shop, we bought 200 pieces of Nokia phones in this shop. This is what we purchased. So after buying the 200 pieces of Nokia phones, then we come at purchase 200 pieces. Purchase price, we bought each phone at 20,000. We purchased 200 pieces. Purchase price, we purchased each phone at 20,000. So which means zino simu twagisuubudde miliyoni 4 because twasuubudde piisi 2 z'essimu, buli piisi tugiguze emitwalo 2, so which means we shall get 4 million as capital we invested or we purchased these phones. So from there we are looking at sales. Out of the 200 pieces of phones we purchased, how many have we sold from 1st to 31st December? We sold 150 pieces of phones. Hope we are together, guys. We sold 150 pieces of phones. Tutunzeko esimu piece 15. Okay? Twasuubudde 2, tutunzeko 15 mu December. So, selling price. Each phone we sold it at 50,000, which means tugenda kufuna selling price. We multiply by, we are going to get cost times selling price. Tugenda kufuna, sold. Tugenda kufuna esimu piece 15, we multiply by selling price emitwalo 5, which means tugenda kuba tufunye miliyoni 7.5 the sales ze tukoze mu December, of which mukijukire nti twasuubudde piisi 2, kati gali piisi 5 agasigaddewo ago tetugabala, tubala nti go gakyali mu masa, gakyali mu mabox, ago go gagenda kuba nga gatundiwa January, but right now we are looking at December sales. How many have we sold? So how do we count profits? Step 1, cost of goods sold. Wano tugenda kuba tutunula cost of goods, ebintu bye tutunze, 150 pieces of phones multiply by 20,000, the purchasing price. Sente ze twasuubulirako nti tutunulidde tutunze bintu ki bye tutunze. Tugamba tutunze piece 15 za simu, buli simu twagisuubula emitwalo 2. So which means we purchased 100 which means cost of goods sold 150 multiplied by purchasing price 20,000, which means we shall get 3 million Ugandan shillings. Esimu ze twatunze twazisuubula miliyoni 3. Kati the next step, we shall look at gross profits. Gross profits is equal to, we shall get sales minus cost of goods sold. Okay? So, gross profit is equal to, we are going to get 7,500,000 minus 3 million. That's gross profit. So, we shall get profit margins or gross profit is equal to 1,400,000. Gwe wandiise nti amagoba. We are going to get profit margin at 4,500,000. Most of you call this one profits in business, but this is not yet profits. How do you determine profits after getting the profit margins? Nti sente ezisukulumyeko ku z'osuubudde, oba kuba mujjukire nti kati piisi 15 twazisuubula emiliyoni 3. Wano mu kutunda tuzitunze miliyoni 4.5. Twazisuubula miliyoni 3 mu kutunda, tuzitunze emiliyoni 7.5, which means tugenda kufuna miliyoni 7.5 tujjeko miliyoni 3, kitegeeza tuba tufunye amagoba ga miliyoni 4.5. Kati tujjako tutya amagoba okutegeera nti gala amagoba. Tugenda, we are going to say we are looking at operation costs. Operation cost, this will include rent. The shop we are operating in, we pay rent of 400,000. This shop had a worker, of which a worker we paid him or her 150,000. This shop, in a full month, we paid power and water bills. Which costed 50,000. In this shop, we had transport which brought these phones to the shop. Nti esimu zino etwali tuzisuubula twafuna twazileta transport wa mitwalo 5. So we also write it down. Then under operation cost, we are having salary business owner. You as a business owner, you have to be getting salary. And if your business, you are not being paid salary, it means you are a thief. You are stealing in your shop, because every time you will need money, you will be getting money from the safe without any accountability. So salary owner, you have to be paid salary every month, which means wesasude emitwalo 35. So netugamba nti emmere, food, airtime, transport, for the whole month you spent 200,000. So we are now looking how to get profits. Tugenda gamba gross profits. Getwandise amagoba g'ekigubaazo ye $1,400,000 minus operation cost. Operation cost, these are the things which the shop had to spend for the full month, which means operation cost we have 1,150,000 $1,115,000. So net profits this shop has made for December is 3,350,000. Amagoba business eno gekoze mu December tukoze $3,335,000. So that is the profit this business has made for December sales. Now, out of this 3,350,000, we are going to get 10% back to business, tuongere mu business. Then we get 10% we shall put on business account. Each business has to be with a business account. We are going to get 10% we are going to put on health for your home, bichi kujanjaba bana bichi. Then we are going to get 10% we save it as emergency fund. Nti ebigwa bitalaze. Then ojja kufuna 10% for your personal use, kugeze waka, abana school fees n'ebirala. So now our question is, if this business has made 3,350,000 a month, now the question is, how can we increase profits such that this business can make like 5 million profits a month? First thing we have to do is to widen the market. How? By marketing your business. Make your business go viral. Market, print more business cards, do more marketing to see that your business reach out massively to many people. Remember, when your business is wide, people know it, we are going to increase sales. And once you increase sales, it means we are going to be getting more profits. So, a second option, how we can increase profits, is by widen sources. How? Let me say, if Jimmy, my son, was giving us these phones at $1,900, remember twagisuubudde $2,200, singa Jimmy mutabani wange esimu zino ye yali azisuubuza $1,900, it means we would have increased profits. Okay, then you can again also find out that Kevin, my son, is also selling this phone at 185. Ndato inzo sanga Kevin ngesimu zino ye azisuubuze $1,850. Okay, so here means you have to do more research from the suppliers. I always tell you that people don't buy nadalo omuntu omusuubuzi never buy things from one supplier or factory. You have to make enough research, find out which factory is giving the best price, because the more you do research, the more you squeeze the manufacturers, the more profits will be gaining. So this is a pie chart whereby the balance sheet we wanted to balance for December. I hope this message, guys, you have got it clearly. Nti nga tona bagamba nti isumu njisuubudde $2,200 njitunze ena ndiddeko $2,200 so komanye esimu eyo transport agirese wa sente meka, rent wotundidde simu eyo osasudde sente meka, obadde n'omukozi omwezi oguze airtime oba. This goes to all business people in all different categories. Each business you have to balance, you have to be with sales book, no matter a small business. Oba onaka business katono oba kanene, uno making sure nti uwandika bintu byotunze, webbala owa chapati, wati uno gamba nti olunaku ntunze bwenti, ntesemu bwenti. So at the end of the month, ojja kusobola okola ki? Okumanya how to balance your books. So remember, we are going to come back in the second part with cash flow statement. Most of you don't know how to balance the cash flow in your businesses. So we are going to upload the second video showing you, illustrating about the cash flow business statement, how it moves. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video if you have really liked it. I sign out. I'm Alex Masaba, CEO M&S Property Consultants, Uganda, Kampala.